Welcome to this video series by Growth Predictor on how to future-proof your business in rapidly changing and uncertain markets. The principal theme in this series is the need for a strong collective growth mindset in a business. In this introduction, I will explain what a growth mindset is and why it is fundamental to future-proofing a business. Every business, irrespective of its size or history, lies somewhere on the continuum between obsolescence and accelerated growth. What is different for every business is the speed and direction of travel along this continuum, brought about by the pace of change the business must respond to and its capability to adapt, innovate, and execute new value. If the pace of change experienced by a business exceeds its capability to adapt, then stagnation and ultimately obsolescence is the inevitable result. It is only the internal ability within a business to adapt, innovate, and execute new value that moves it towards growth and prosperity and the ability to maintain this. The theme we explore in this series is the power of human ingenuity, unlocked by a measurable growth mindset that enables a business to future-proof its revenue and its growth rate. A brief look at three colliding business realities will place this topic in its proper perspective and help us better understand the challenges we face. The first reality is that the lifespan of companies has been rapidly reducing over the decades, but is now accelerating due to the rapid obsolescence of products and services brought about by change and the inability to adapt quickly enough. The second reality is the uncertainty of markets, making it difficult for companies to be confident of their growth. And the third reality is the question of whether employees are retarding or helping to grow a business in these circumstances. This question is answered by understanding what a growth mindset is. This illustration demonstrates the three prevailing mindsets found in a business today. It is only by measuring the extent of these prevailing mindsets and their direct impact on customers and company revenue that a company is able to determine its speed and direction of travel on the continuum between obsolescence and accelerated growth. A person with a growth mindset views work in the context of personal opportunity and growth. They are motivated to make a difference and will do whatever it takes to make an impact. People with a growth mindset can be found at all levels in a business. A person with a job mindset views work only in the context of the necessity to earn a living. They are seldom willing to do more than what is required of them. When they do, it is often grudgingly. This mindset hinders a person's ability to adapt and therefore precludes them from making any contribution that really impacts the growth of a business. People with a job mindset can also be found at all levels in a business, and it is these people who are most at risk to the deployment of artificial intelligence. Finally, a person with an entitlement mindset views work as an inconvenience. There is no connection between the money they feel entitled to and any value that is expected of them. They would rather be anywhere else other than at work. Remarkably, there are still some people with this mindset holding down jobs in businesses. I wonder for how much longer. Please join us on our next video in this journey of discovering the power of a growth mindset to lift the growth rate of your business. Thank you for listening.